Hi friends, let me show you this 2-in-1 tire inflator and portable vacuum that I received for reviewing purposes. It is a really nice accessory for your car. Let me show you everything that you get. This is the actual unit, this is the vacuum side, and this is the tire inflating side, okay? You can charge it with the USB-C port. You get a bag to carry it with you and all the accessories. This is the hose to inflate the tires, okay? You put it here, and this side goes to your tire. This is a brush if you want to vacuum your car and brush it at the same time. This is a crevice nozzle if you need to reach hard to reach places with it. These accessories are useful to inflate balls, soccer balls, basketball balls, beach balls, whatever kind of accessory you want to inflate. And with this adapter, you can use all these 4 air extraction nozzles. So if you want to deflate a pool or a ball or whatever, you can use this adapter and have different nozzles to get air from inflated accessories like balls or beach toys or whatever. So either if you want to vacuum your car, you want to deflate accessories or inflate accessories or your car tires, this is a great option for you. Let's try it. So we are going to test our accessory first to inflate the tires. Here you have the on and off button. It is set to 35 psi. Okay, you can turn it up, more psi or less psi. You can change the units in this button from psi to bar to kPa, kilograms over centimeters, or psi again. And with this button you change the kind of accessory, the bicycle tire, motorcycle, ball, or a car tire. You just have to hook this here. Okay, easy, half turn. And when you connect it to your car tire, it will tell you the PSI in the tire. You see? We have a PSI in the tire of 33.5 and we want 34. So we turn it on. And there it is. We have already the pressure we want. So we are ready to go. Easy to use. You just put it back again in its carrying bag, and that's it. Now we want to clean our car. We are going to use the vacuum nozzle and we turn it on. We can change it in 2 speeds. That's it. And let's put this in the trash. When you finish cleaning your car, you will open the vacuum and all the dirt is here. Okay, so perfect. We are ready to keep cleaning our car or inflating the tires. If you need this accessory, I really recommend you have it in your car so you can inflate your tires or clean the inside with the vacuum. Thank you.